So both F150s are getting.
It's getting a twin turbo kit, and this one's getting a twin turbo kit. Stock motors, built transmissions, converters. The headers got coated, and something's gonna get painted this color.
Stay tuned.
Maybe I'll change the color of this one. Maybe it's this one. Maybe it's different.
It honestly looks the same. That's just more of like a.
You look the same.
So right now is tear down. We're removing the stock manifolds, stock trans, fuel tank. What else? And then after that's done, installing the new manifolds, turbo kit, build trans, posi units, front and back, brakes, and the souths. You know, brakes. Yeah, we got a whole bunch of shit. Smaller brakes, lighter transmission, posi units, turbo kit, and the sauce. You know, especially the dealer.
Really far away. Education. That bitch is.
Are we gonna use the studs or are we gonna use bolts for the headers?
Whatever you could fit with stud, use a stud.
Okay. Give me right. Boom, baby. Here, put the gas. Give me a bigger push pin popper way. Some for the kids and shit.
Some for the kids.
Right, Corey? Nigga, post it on the cone, nigga. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just playing. Yeah. Taking off the valve covers and then the front cover so Mano can weld the turbo drain bongs onto the front cover and make it look de agencia. Mete la mala charola. Mande.
This was already welded. Eric put the header on there, scratched it real good. So we got this one coated. That dude doesn't want his coated. Oh, you know what, Eric?
Yeah, I was gonna tell you about that. This is like electronic now.
Fine.
We can still lock it, right?
No. You're just gonna. All this is gonna stay on here. We're just gonna have to be careful.
Move it out of the way.
Move it out the way.
That's fine.
Yeah.
The only
I'll put it on
you
top.
fill it up?
Yeah. Even if you're like if it's like this, like that, I could just fill it up. You gotta supply all the ammo, so you gotta pay for the ammo.
It's like 120, right?
Yeah.
Hell nah, nigga. We got the...
Right now, if you hold the Coke cannon with one hand and shoot that bitch, we'll go to the street.
So the bet is without flinching, right?
Right there.
That wasn't bad.
Huh?
How was it bad?
Or what?
Huh? No, I wasn't scared. That actually felt good.
They send you like a little thing where you could.
Fucking Batman.
It's fucking cool.
Yeah. I don't know what the fuck this is for.
Oh, that's what this was? I thought it was just like an actual guitar. I was like, why does this nigga play a guitar?
Where are the cops for?
To put fucking like bolts, nuts, I don't know.
Man.
Yeah, because it goes straight into it. Look,
Oh shit.
it looks like that.
Can you shoot a potato out of it too?
Yeah. Like that. And it'll shoot the other shit first. Did you ever make a potato gun?
No, wait, not with
You
the
have to
air.
fucking spray hairspray on the back. You put a
Oh, the potato gun?
yeah. You put a little fucking igniter from like just a little
lighter.
yeah.
Like
And
a
you
spark plug.
spray whatchamacallit, but sometimes if you don't put the PVC right, it'll explode.
Come apart.
Yeah, so you gotta watch out.
We're pulling the axles so they can get machined so we can fit the aerospace brakes. Because this is too thick. It needs to be machined down pretty much where that line's at. Right here, look at that. Honey gold. Y'all have some good fluid right there. Shit, looks better than the Shelby's. The Shelby's was all dark as hell.
This is more cleaner.
Yeah. But the gears were done recently. And now for the fun part. This one's gonna be hard as fuck to get the clips out.
Why?
Because it's aftermarket. And they force the clips in. Fuel system, injectors, rails, put the turbos on, downpipes, intercooler, relocate the battery, do the aerospace brakes. Yeah, we still got a lot to do. Even Steven, man.
Even Steven.
You're not supposed to use it for fuel. Nigga, the batteries is full of. No exploté,
But it was for fuel.
man.
It shows it on the little thing, fuel.
Wait, the batteries were wet, like full of fucking 85.
Did it work?
Well, that one should. Yo agarré otra. And I got scared. I was like, no. Like, I took out the batteries and they were full of fucking 85.
Corrosive fluids. When pumping gasoline and flammable liquids, be alert to possible explosion hazard.
Yeah.
What is this?
New brakes.
Ah, that looks way better.
Little aerospace. Need to do the fuel system. Connect these lines to these brakes. Bleed them. I'm gonna do the front ones. And then turbos. Mission. Still. I need to adjust these two. To center them. Look, you see how one it's more that way than this way? If I don't adjust it, it's gonna eat this brake pad. So I need to fix that.
So what do we have left? We got the brakes going on.
Don't you see everybody's look at that lips, boy. What do we have left? We have fuel system. And this one. This one has the fuel system a little bit done. White.
I do have to space them out.
On this one.
Yeah.
Doing the brakes. Front brakes next. Trans is done. Converter's done. Fuel system. Front Yukon, rear Yukon. Well, we're gonna try to get them done this week.
Installed a posi unit on the Shelby, just like we did on that one. Well, actually Russell did that one. I put the cover back on, put the fluid in there, put the brakes on. Now that the axles are machined, run the lines, bleed the brakes, do the same thing with the front. Then cold side, turbo kit, AMS and a tune. And this one's closer to being done. This one already got the fuel system done. Boy, Eric got down on that one. So, here we are.
Algo está pasando, ¿qué?
Le hiciste como el profesor Gilafales.
Where's that from?
You Chavo del Ocho? You never seen El Chavo del Ocho? No, oh man, you ain't had no.
This dude didn't grow up to no Chavo del Ocho.
No tuviste
This dude grew up to Blue's Clues.
The little Einsteins.
Not even Blue's Clues. What you grew up to?
Curious
The little
George.
Einsteins.
Dora the Explorer.
Yeah. Can we find the backpack?
Mochila.
You know, my mom used to take us to these places where they used to make us watch Dora, and then they'll give us $100
For real?
just for watching it. Yeah,
Running up them views.
running up some weird shit, man.
Where in Peru?
Nah, nigga, here, bruh. Dora wasn't no Peru, nigga. But you know what? That's why I quit school. Cause Reese's too many games. My dad over here, you know, we were really poor growing up. He used to have to sell his booty
At the corner.
at the corner. No, Mañuco, ¿eras prostituta?
No escucho.
¿Eras prostituta allá en Perú? ¿Te tendrías que vender?
¿Era viejo lesbiano?
No, acá puedo hacer todo. Yo se lo traje a Manuel antes que se dieran cuenta
It's
ya.
three, it's three.
Lo traje para acá. Acá no le pueden decir nada malo.
Ya quisieras, pinche viejo pendejo. My daddy used to touch me. That's for another episode.
Nomás, vamos a poner una cifra de ahí.
Hell yeah.
So, esta hay que apretarla bien. Ya falta, ahorita va a buscar, necesitamos 2, 4 de estos. En vez de los 90.
Oh, a derechos.
Para que salga derecho.
Because they're not.
Oh, sí, sí, jalan.
Check it out.
Oh, here.
That makes the viewers go
Sí
crazy.
sé, güey, sí sé. Sí sé cagarlo.
It has adapters and it bolts up to the stock shit. You just get rid of the stock caliper, and with this adapter, you're able to union these lines. But the back, you have to make the lines. My neighbor.
My boy got us our intercooler. He painted it instead of coating it. This one's not coated. Eric put all the pipes on. The fuel system needs to be done. Some electrical stuff is done. Fuel system. What else, Eric? Fuel system wiring for the AMS. Some stuff. All the brakes are done. Down pipes are on. Check this out. These are the turbos I'm gonna be offering for the new turbo kits. Turbo Smart. So Turbo Smart turbos, Turbo Smart gates. Blow off valve is Turbo Smart. This is coated right here. This is Precisions, but we're gonna coat some Turbo Smarts too. We got a couple of Turbo Smart turbos coming, so we're gonna do that. But look at that, coated intercooler. Oh. Y'all stay tuned. On the next video, these are going to be started.